I am showing you guys what my makeup routine is with some of the new products I purchased with the Sephora 20% sale. And it's over now, but it's twice a year, so I always try to take advantage on products that I want to try out. And so far, I like most of them. Keep on watching and see how I apply all of my makeup today. This on? Oh my god, my head is so big. Big brain. So first, I'm going to prep my skin. I already put on moisturizer, sunscreen. I love this glow recipe before my foundation. I've been using the samples for so long and I finally pulled the plug and got the biggest jumbo size with the Sephora sale. You just need like one pump. Put it all over. I think this one fits better. I'm also going to use this Milk Primer for water-based foundation. So you want to wait at least 5 minutes for your primer to dry. I finally figured that out because my foundation was always pulling away from my skin and there was always texture, but I think I got it right this time. So I got this foundation, NARS Light Reflecting Foundation in the color Vienna, and that number is 4.5, and it matched my skin color pretty well. Almost winter now, so my skin gets super pale, but so far I've been liking this foundation a lot. I just wanted to try something new. So I like putting my foundation one pump on this pan here, or two pumps. I'm using Sephora foundation brush number 56. I feel like a painter doing this. And then you just press it on your skin. I focus more on areas of my skin where I have a lot of scarring, which is my chin. One more pump for the road. I have so many creases on my face because I sleep on my face. How do you get over that habit of sleeping on your face? Like, look at this crease. That's like from my pillow. And I like to take a damp beauty blender, and I got this one from Amazon, and then just kind of press on the areas that you think is a little bit textured, and it's always like around my nose. And then usually I go in with concealer. Purchase these two NARS concealer, the Radiant Creamy Concealer. I got it because I was watching Makeup and Makeup by Nikki, and they said that this was their favorite #1 OG concealer, and of course I want to try it because, you know, I bought makeup my entire life, which is like 15 years or 10 years, and I never got this one. So far I would say it's okay. So these are my go-to. I like the Tarte Shape Tape Dior Backstage Kosas. These two containers are horrendous to keep clean, but so far I'm liking the NARS. I use two colors because I want a lighter color underneath my dark circles and then one color darker for my spots. So the first color is light 2.2. Is it Nugatine? And this is my favorite Kat Von D brush number 40. Lightly dab. Yeah, it's different consistency, like it dries so quickly. Yeah, you don't even need that much, and back then, like, you used to just glob it on with the brush shader. Now that I've been watching so many videos, you know, this way it's definitely not as cakey and just kind of like a smooth finish. I am going to go in with the 2.3 Madeline. And then around my nose because it's always red. You want to highlight here where the light hits you. And then I'm using the same brush. And then once again, I like going in with my beauty blender. More textured, especially the freaking sides of my nostrils. And I'm gonna put some Huda Beauty Cupcake underneath my eyes first. I'm taking this puff thing. It's a little dirty. Next, I got Westman Atelier. Whoopsies. 45 bucks though for this. I'm not sure it's worth the money, but I got it during the sale, so 20% off. I like the technique where you take the brush and then you just kind of dab it. And then you lightly tap. And then your temples. It's lighter than I thought. Color is Biscuit. Usually I like a deeper color. You know, I never worry about messing up on contour because you can always take your foundation brush and then just tap where you think you put a little too much. And I like to use this, don't remember where I got this brush, I think from those Naked palettes. But I like to use this tip for my nose contour because it's so thin. And a little bit for the tip, and then I'm using this MAC brush 575 SE, and then I like to brush it out towards the side. And now I'm gonna go in with powder. Okay, so I didn't really buy any new blushes. I'm gonna use Rare Beauty Nearly Mauve, and this is one of my favorites. It's so easy because it's so creamy. And you just press it with your ring finger, and you can easily blend it. Like, it's so easy to blend. So last but not least, got this popular Dior Backstage Glow Face palette in the color Universal. It's super pretty. I'm gonna use a little bit of the bronze. Tap it and then go a little bit under here. I'm gonna use a little bit of pink over the blush. And then last but not least, I like the gold for above the cheeks. And then a little bit of the white on the nose. I don't really wear that much eyeshadow. If it's a daily thing, I'm just gonna use Makeup by Mario, this color right here, and then just go over. Since I have my eyebrows tatted, I only need to do just a little bit right here and then right there. Better Than Sex Too Faced eyeliner. It's always a little bit annoying putting on eyeliner when you have your lashes on. Last but not least, my friend got me this to Seek. That's Juicy Dewy Tint because it's like a stain. I like using the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it. I love just doing makeup every day and working from home doing nothing. I just like playing around with makeup.